bro, is this jump? Oh, snap. Bro, I finally got this jump, bro. I'm not doing no intro. We getting straight into it. This is the Canon M100. This is gonna be my starter camera. Cause I record off of my iPhone XR. So, okay, we're not gonna talk about that. I'm so excited, bro. Y'all don't know, bro. I can't record on that phone. Yeah, we get right. Woo! We're gonna pick everything out first. You feel me? So we got like a bag. This is the Amazon bundle. I don't even know where my camera at on my XR, to be honest. Cause I'm looking at like my screen. It's alright though. Oh, look at the bag. Yo, the bag low-key fire. Bag is low-key hit right now, bro. Bro, I'm sorry if the volume is low. Like, I'm not really speaking up right now, but this joint is. It comes with a holder. Look at that. It is. That's just fire. Bro, this joint took a whole week to ship, bro. Oh, yo, I can't wait. Alright, we got a deluxe starter kit. I'm gonna open all of this up. I've seen some videos, people don't even open it, they just show it to you. I'm gonna let y'all see everything, bro. I'm gonna let y'all see everything, big. I don't know what this is. To be honest with you. So we got like a mini tripod. Look at this. This is fire. Look at this. Look at this mini tripod, bro. Got some cloth, you know, to clean it, of course. Oh, I think this you can hang on your wrist. Pretty fire it is. I can see it. Pretty fire. We got oh, I think this is what you can put on a lens. I guess. I think there's something you can put on a lens. We got some. Oh, we got a card reader. Yo, that's fire. I need one of these. A card adapter. I can use it. Like a week, bro. I know what it is, bro. Y'all know what it look like. 32 gigabyte SD cards. Fire, bro. Fire, bitch. We got this part. And this comes with it too. We got this. I should have did that. Alright. We're saving it good for last. We got some Pro HD series micro close-up lens set. It is. Bro, this is fire, bro. We're gonna see what this is. I'm trying to show y'all everything. If y'all decide to get this also. Well, cause I've been wanting the camera for a long time, bro. Cause my phone is not it. Like, it looks good now, but I'm trying to tell y'all it's not it. Oh, it comes in like this, bitch. I'm not gonna pull them out though. Fire. Got some more. We'll put them over here so I don't get them mixed up. Fire. We're saving that. We're saving the camera for last, most definitely. Oh snap. Yo, this joint is so fire, bro. Look, they even give you a little they even give you a little light when you're trying to find a TV. Oh, this thing look like what? Oh, it's so cool. Digital sleeve studio series. Oh, okay, I know what it does. Oh, this is fire. Look at this. Cause you got an extra light while you're recording too. Fire. Does it like use just like regular batteries? Yeah, I got a bunch of batteries. Bro, shout out to my brother, bro. He got me like 7 packs of these, bro. Shout out to my brother. I love my brother so much, bro. Shout out to him. He inspired me to get these cameras. I hope he sees this. That's the best big brother I ever had, bro. Then we got the red and black tripods. Ooh. Oh, and shout out to my brother again. See, he knows getting a camera, so he made me this, bro. Look at this. He made this handmade. Bro, this is fire, bro. Fire, bitch. Plus, we got this. Very comfortable. I'm gonna be using that one, the one my brother gave me a lot. But I'm also gonna use this one when if I have to sit down and talk, you know what I'm saying? And this one's a stand-up one, you know? Now to the big boy. Ooh. Check me out, man. I don't know. I'm back. This is crazy. Why it sound like that? I not like the way that sound. We got who reads manuals, bro? I don't read that bit. Now I gotta keep this online for the album. Alright, this is fun. Y'all know I'm anxious. I can't wait to get to them. So we got, I think this is, oh my god, bro. I think this is the lens right here. Gotta be careful with this. Got some baby lens. Oh my god. Look at this. Look at the lens, bro. Yeah, this is with the case on it too. Oh my god, they look bigger when you look at them online versus when you look at them like in person. Look at the lens. Alright. We got the, I think this is the battery charger. And we got the batteries right here. Oh, and it gives you one of these host of things, I think. That's the battery right there. This is the camera, man. Oh, this junk go hard. People said it was light, but this junk feels kind of heavy. Look, this junk is actually kind of nice. This is the viewfinder. Feel me? Honestly, they said it was hard to hold. It kind of like isn't, but it is. Like holding it straight up like this is not really that hard. But like if you turn it to yourself, if you was to turn it to yourself, you know, I don't know why would you, but you should be having it like this anyway. But like just holding it straight on like this, or if you videoing it like this, it literally feels great. So I'm gonna try to put the lens on it. I don't know nothing about cameras. Look at that. But that's just fire. I guess you just screw it. I don't know. Alright, so I pretty much got the camera, bro. And look at this. This is fire. So yeah, I'm just gonna let the battery charge. And bro, I'll get back to y'all guys when it's done charge, bro. And I'm gonna show you how it looks, bro. I'm pretty sure this junk gonna look fire. But yeah, bro. Oh snap. So literally guys, this is the camera, bro. It is completely clear. And this, bro, like if you see me looking up, it's because of the viewfinder. I gotta get used to like looking at it. Kind of seems like I can see myself moving in the back. It's kind of crazy, but yo, this camera is awesome. Check me out. Check me out. Like, it's very powerful, bro. This junk, but I recommend this camera, especially if you are a beginner. It took me a while to get the settings right. I'm gonna put this down. But yeah, this is the this is the Canon M100, bro. One of the best. It's like one of the best cameras to use, right? Especially if you're beginning. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please make sure you subscribe and like, of course. I'm out, bruh.